So ayan, mostly tuk-tuk ang ano dito or tricycle na ganyan ang ginagamit. And then this is actually the General Luna. There's a lot of establishment, massage, hotels. So more or less, if I'm gonna compare the main road to Boracay, is mas maganda to. Pero the beach, still, I'll go for Boracay. So ito, ganito ang itsura niya. Maraming kang pwedeng hiraman ng mga motor. And then, actually, ang ginawa ko dito, I look for some place to rent sana for our pool supplies. Kasi wala, ayan, may Watson din dyan. So, very, very, siya, lay back, but if you really love nature, if you love sea, you go here. So basically, ito yung itsura niya. Maganda. Kaya coach ang hiniram ko. Una, hindi ako marunong magmotor. Pangalawa, is I have to go and visit clients. So, ayoko naman ngarag-ngarag na itsura ko, diba? So, mas marami action ang mga foreigners dito kaysa sa mga local tourists.